Yes, moving on quickly, we talk about the defending champions, the five-time champions, Mumbai Indians. The entire team is the same. All like there are a few changes, like Pattinson goes out, Jimmy Neesham has been roped in, Adam Milne has been roped
Yes.
in, and Arjun Tendulkar is there. So yeah, does Arjun Tendulkar start straight away in the 11? For me, no.
Starting into the starting, no, I don't think. But yes, maybe if he is very good in the nets, if he is performing well, and if he's instilling confidence in the coaches and everyone, then yes, might get a game. But I'm going to tell you one thing. Arjun Tendulkar, I was going to say this in the review as well. Arjun Tendulkar might go on to be a next factor for this team. The way Hardik did, even this guy can do. I'm not comparing Hardik and Arjun,
Yeah,
but I feel, because this guy comes with a reputation of hitting long balls, and comes in. He's a different entity. This guy, left arm fast bowler, and bats also. He's a left arm all rounder. So different entity. You don't find these players these days. Left someone who bowls left-handed and is an all-rounder.
yeah. Vanshaj, what do you make of these arch rivals of yours?
Very very good arch rivals. ऐसे arch rivals हो तो मजा ही आ जाता है फिर तो, because last year it was really fun, having Mumbai Indians fans and me as DC fan in the previews. So further talking about MI, bowling, batting, middle order, सब boxes tick. I still regard them as the top team which has the best playing 11 if we rank the teams on basis of that. And speaking about the all-round department, they further bolstered it by adding Piyush Chawla and James Nisham, which I think, yes, makes sense, fair enough. On Indian pitches, very good. And the uncapped players, whether it be Arjun Tendulkar, Yudhvir Singh, or South Africa's Marco Jansen,
Yes.
इसके पीछे बहुत बातें हो रही है. I see Marco Jansen playing some games and delivering for the Mumbai Indians team because he has a certain quality to him. There's a story behind him also. जब इंडिया 2018 में साउथ अफ्रीका टूर पे गई थी तो he had bowled to Virat Kohli in the nets.
Correct.
And getting a well bowled comment from the Indian skipper is a thing in itself. Virat Kohli faced him and he heaped praises over the South Africa's bowler. He's a 19-year-old and he's a tall lanky bowler, and I think he will be an asset to Mumbai Indians if he gets a chance, and I hope he gets one, and I know MI will give him a chance, I guess. Considering how MI have been. And yes, following the auction, yes, Mumbai Indians may be one of the best teams. I will agree.
Okay. Yes, we'll quickly wrap it up here. But before that, Rahul Chahar starts for Mumbai or Piyush Chawla starts for Mumbai?
I'll go with Rahul Chahar. And then slowly, because you play in you play in Chennai, you play 5 games in Chennai. So maybe you see both of them playing together.
Okay,
Or
interesting.
maybe even a Jayant Yadav comes in. You
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah,
The
yeah.
only worry for Bombay is Mumbai Indians is one. They don't have a good Indian backup fast bowler. They have Dhawal Kulkarni, who's not looked very good in the last 2-3 years. But who is there? There's Mohsin Khan, there's Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya is an opener. I'm not. There's who is there? Just these two and Mohsin Khan, nobody else. So Yudhvir Singh Charak for that reason, therefore. But yes, that would be one problem. If something, I don't want anything happening to Jasprit Bumrah, but if anything happens, Mumbai will have to start biting their nails.
Yeah, right. Yes. They are qualifying. For me, they are surely qualifying. For Vanshaj also, they are qualifying. Yes, we.
Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, and
Hyderabad.
Sunrisers qualifying. Sunrisers qualifying.
Okay.
For me, it's Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, and for the fourth place, it's Sunrisers Hyderabad / RCB.
For me, it is Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and RCB. Sunrisers is a very good team, but I have some biases towards RCB, as I said during their preview. So I hold those thoughts. Yeah, that we come to the end of the IPL season preview.